Dear students, welcome to ITC online session. In previous session, we have discussed first method of chapter number 11, construction of NCERT maths. Now, we will be proceeding or moving towards our second method, that is division of triangle. Now, first of all, you will be given in the question to construct any triangle in which either measurement of 3 sides will be given, or measurement of 2 sides or angle will be given, or 1 side and 2 angles will be given. Now, first of all, the simple basic rule for division of triangle is, say for example, if we want to divide the triangle in the ratio 2 by 3, that is, you have to simply remember this rule. For division of triangle, if numerator is smaller than denominator, then the required triangle will be within the given triangle. And if in the ratio, say for example, it is, say for example, 4 by 3, that is numerator is greater than denominator, then in such cases the given triangle, that is the required triangle, will be outside the given triangle. This simple basic rule you have to remember when you are learning second method of construction, that is division of triangle. Now, as you can see on board, this is question number 2 of exercise 11.1, in which it is given you have to draw a triangle ABC with sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. And divide it in the ratio, that is 2 by 3. Now first of all, from the given information, we will be framing a triangle. Now here 3 sides are given. In such cases, the highest measurement will become our base, that is 4, 5 and 6, that is 6 cm is highest measurement. I will be, after drawing a line, I will label it as 6 cm. And here I will write A, B. Now second, here side 4 is given and here side 5 is given. Now, for drawing the line segment with measurement 4, first we need to take an arc of 4 cm from scale, and then we will put our rounder here and make an arc of 4 cm. This 4 cm arc you can draw on either side. You can draw it from here or you can draw it from here. Same way, another is 5 cm, means first of all, we will be taking a mark from scale of 5 cm, then we will put rounder here and make an arc of 5 cm. Now, these two arcs will intersect at one point. Now we will be drawing a line passing from these 2 points, and this point we will be labeling at C. Now, here you can see this measurement was 4 cm and this measurement was 5 cm. Our first step has been completed, that is we have constructed triangle ABC. Now, as I have discussed earlier, when you want to divide the triangle in ratio in which numerator is smaller than denominator, then the required triangle will be within the given triangle. અહીંયા આગળ ન્યુમરેટર નાનો છે, ડિનોમિનેટર મોટો છે, તો તમારું જે ટ્રાયેંગલ બનાવવાનું છે એ આ ટ્રાયેંગલની અંદર આવશે. Now, for that, again we will be drawing a ray having an angle of acute in only lower half. Why? Because in upper plane we have constructed a triangle. Now, for measurement of 60, we will be drawing an arc of 1 cm, and again from here we will be drawing an arc and we will be passing a ray from this, and we will label this as ray X. Now, another important thing, say for example, in this ratio the highest value is 3, that is we have to draw only 3 arcs on this ray, not that we will be doing the summation or we will be having number of arcs as discussed in the lower plane. Here the biggest value will be the number of arcs that we will be drawing on this ray. Now again we will be taking 1 cm. First arc we will be drawing from this point, again and again. Then we will label it as A1, A2, and A3. Now again, the same measurement, we will be drawing an arc from this point, and again, when these two arcs intersect from this point, we will be joining to this, that is B. Now, the first ratio is 2, that is 1 and 2. So, here from this point, we will be drawing an arc on this line. But remember, here there is a difference of 1 centimeter. So, what we will be doing? We will be putting our rounder here and making an arc of 1 centimeter. Now, same way again here, from this we will put an arc, and from this arc we will be joining this line. Now again, we will be drawing another parallel line from this point to this point, that is BC. Here also the distance is 1 centimeter. So from this point we will make an arc of 1 centimeter. And again, from this point first we will make an arc and then pass this point from this point. Now we will label this as, say for example, M, and this point as N. Now you can see on the board here triangle A and N. This triangle is the required triangle with sides. You can see 1, 2, that is 2, and 1, 2 and 3, that is 3 part. Means this part is 2 and this part is 3. That is, we have divided triangle ABC in triangle AMN with sides, that is 2 and 3, that is 2 by 3. Now the only change is that if numerator is greater and denominator is smaller, then this required triangle will be outside the given triangle. This simple rule for division of triangle you have to remember. Now another question of exercise 11.1, that is question number 5. Here the only difference is they have given to draw triangle ABC. In this question the measurement of 3 sides were given, but here measurement of 2 sides and an angle is given. Now if only 2 sides have been given, then the highest measurement will be our base, that is BC is 6 cm. We will label it as 6 cm. Now here it is given angle ABC is equal to 60. So we will be taking an arc of 1 cm again, and from this point we will draw a ray. That is, here we will be writing is at 60 degree. Why? Because it is given in the question itself. Now, this AB is having measurement of 5 cm. So, we will be making an arc of 5 cm from scale. We will be putting this point here and make an arc of 5 cm. Now, we will be passing a line segment from this point. We will label it as A. Now, in this way we have constructed triangle ABC with measurement of side BC 6 cm, angle ABC 60 degree, and side AB that is equal to 5 cm. Now, we need to divide this triangle in the ratio, that is 3 by 4. Now, you can see here the numerator is smaller than the denominator. It means the required triangle will be within the given triangle. Now, to continue further, we will be making a ray of acute angle in the lower plane and not in the upper plane, as we have drawn a triangle in the upper plane. Say for example, 1 cm. We will label this as, now the number of arc, that is 3 and 4, highest value is 4. So we will be drawing 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we will label it as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now this last point B4 has to be joined with C. So with same measurement we will put this here and make an arc here. Now when these arcs intersect again from these 2 points, we will make a line that is joining C. Now this numerator is 3 part, that is from this point we have to count 3 values, that is 1, 2 and 3, that is this part. So what we will be doing, we will be drawing a line which is parallel to this from this point. Now for that we will be taking some measurement of arc, and from this point again we will make an arc. From these 2 points we will make an arc. Similarly, here I will label it as M. Again, from this point we have to draw a line parallel to CA. That is, here I will be making an arc, and from this point is N. So this triangle BMN is the required triangle which has been constructed in the triangle ABC with measurement, that is 1, 2, 3, that is 3 part, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 4 part. This is the simplest method by which you will be dividing your triangle. You have to simply understand the basic rule. If the required triangle is having a ratio with numerator smaller and denominator greater, then the required triangle will be inside the given triangle. And second, if numerator is greater than denominator, then the required triangle will be outside the given triangle. Hope so you have understood these two sums of our second method, that is division of triangle. Please go to my YouTube channel Ishika Tuition Classes Education for All. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे पीछे आऊंगा, छीन लूंगा या खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा, तेरे नाल तकदीरां लिखवाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, सौ तेरी मैं कसम यही खाऊंगा।